viral news. Daniel humaguhol ng todo matapos aminin ang nagawang pagkakamali sa longtime girlfriend. Paalala lang po, ang video na ito ay base lamang sa nakalap na impormasyon at nag-viral na rin sa iba't ibang platform, maging sa social media at Instagram. Minutes after Catherine Bernardo admitted that they have broken up, Daniel Padilla also announced their separation. In his Instagram account, Daniel penned an emotional poem for Catherine. 11 years, paibig, sa mundo, buhay at sa limitadong oras na tayo ay nandito, isang malaking biyaya ang pagmamahal, Daniel wrote. Ang mahalin ka at mahalin mo. Ang mga alaala natin ay laging kong baon sa aking puso at magiging liwanag sa mga madidilim kong araw, he added. Daniel thanked Catherine for staying with him during his highs and lows. Thank you for dancing with me during my highs and thank you for singing with me during my lows, he said. Our lives may drift away, but our love will still ride that tide, he added. He also thanked their fans for the love and support. Kat Niels, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo. Maraming salamat sa napakagandang pinagsamahan natin. Hinding-hindi namin ipagpapalit at hindi makukumpara kahit anong panggawin nila. Hinding-hindi nila pwedeng sirain yun. This is beyond show business. Pamilya kayo at mga kaibigan. Magiging mahirap pero kailangan natin yakapin ang kinabukasan, he said. Pray for us to grow and heal, he added. At the end of his statement, Daniel said his love for Catherine will never end. Bal, ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo ay walang hanggan at walang katapusan, Daniel closed his statement. Ikaw, ano ang masasabi mo? Kung bago ka pa lang sa showbiz ko, please huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like at i-click ang notification bell upang lagi kang updated sa susunod na mga showbiz ko.